Friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Today I am going to speak about the most important stock, and that is Asian Paints. Before I go any further, my dear friends, if you watch this video completely, at the end I have a surprise gift for all of you. Regarding this gift, I may talk anytime in the middle, hence go through the video completely. 1945 February, 4 friends started Asian Paints. They are in the business of selling and distribution of paints and coatings. Friends, Asian Paint is the biggest paint manufacturer in our country. Compared to Asia, Asian Paint is the third biggest manufacturer of paints. My dear friends, if you look at the shareholding of Asian Paints, the promoters are still holding 53%. Foreign institutions are holding approximately 17%. Domestic institutional investors are holding 18%. And others, retail investors like me and you, are holding approximately 12%. Now I'm going to give you the net profit of Asian Paints for the last 5 years. 2016, 1,769 crores. 2017, 1940 crores. 2018, 1,981 crores. 2019, 2,173 crores, and 2020, 2,728 crores profits Asian Paint has made per annum. If you take the net growth for the last 5 years, Asian Paint has improved by 11.44% every year. My dear friends, if I look at the market capitalization of various paints in India, first Asian Paints 1.65 lakh crores, Berger Paints 50,900 crores, Nerolac Paints 24,000 crores. If you look at the market share, approximately out of 100 people who purchase paints, 45% people buy Asian Paints, Berger Paints 12%, Nerolac Paints 11%. Suppose you had purchased 100 shares of Asian Paints by paying 1,000 rupees at the time of IPO. Today, after bonus and splits, what is the story? I'm explaining. 1995, they gave a bonus of 1:1. I had 100 shares, became 200 shares. In the year 2000, 3:5 bonus, 200 shares became 320. In the year 2003, 1:2 bonus, 320 shares became 480. In the year 2013, they split their shares from 10 rupees to 1 rupee, and it became 480 shares became 4,800 shares. So 100 shares of Asian Paint is now 4,800 shares. Suppose you had purchased Asian Paint in the year 2000, January. At that time, it was only 16 rupees 11 paisa. If you had invested 10,000 rupees, today's rate is 1,806. Today, if you had sold all those shares, it will fetch you 11 lakhs 20,000 rupees, and it works out to approximately 25.65% per annum. If they had not split Asian Paints or they had not given any bonus, 10 rupees share today would have fetched you 42,000 rupees instead of 1,806 rupees. Now I have given you a graph how Asian Paint has progressed through the years from 2000. This will give you an idea of the improvement in the Asian Paint shares. Now it is the time to tell you about the gift we are giving you. That is an ebook. This is the beautiful book which we are sending you by email. This is about 5 secret features of WhatsApp which you may or may not know. How to get this ebook? Let us imagine you have seen this video completely. You are a member of Dr. Bharath Chandra YouTube channel. Subscribe, press the bell icon also. Plus, in the comment box, you are sending a nice comment. And after that, you send us an email which is mentioned at the bottom. We will send the ebook by email. A very useful book on various interesting secret features of WhatsApp, and you can become more proficient in WhatsApp by using this book. It was wonderful seeing you, and my dear friends, this is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Namaste.